So we are trying to find something that Sasha can say that would attack Gregory, right?
Right.
So what is Sasha saying?
Do you want me to read it out loud or just kind of read
Anything
it?
that helps you. Take your time.
So he's just saying handwriting analysis should be banned and that they usually exaggerate reliability of their analysis.
Exactly. So Sasha wants to ban handwriting, right?
Right.
Now we read Gregory and we weaken whatever Gregory says. So can you please read Gregory?
Yeah. Okay. So he's partly agreeing with her, but he's saying the problem is because there's no like board, um, no licensing board to kind of put standards and limits on the handwritten analysis, and that when the board becomes established, then it won't be a problem because they won't be allowed to exaggerate as much as he's saying they are.
Exactly. But to like attack Gregory, we want to say like even if we have boards, it won't be good, right? Like we want to say handwriting analysis, whether you have boards, you have experts, licenses, whatever,
It's all bad.
it's all bad. Exactly. And that's why I want to go with D. Can you please read D?
The only handwriting analysts who claim that handwriting provides reliable evidence of a person's character are irresponsible.
So what is D saying in your own words?
Um, so it's kind of attacking the um, only strength, I guess, to Gregory's argument, saying
Yes.
that like his argument that that the use of uh, the boards would kind of stop this problem, but then it's saying like, wait, no, I think I messed it up.
You were saying the right summary.
Oh,
Like you were correct. So Gregory is saying if
yeah, I'm kind of might need help a little bit.
so Gregory is saying when such a board is established, handwriting analysis by licensed practitioners will be legitimate, right?
Right,
So Gregory is like Sasha is saying ban handwriting analysis in courts, ban it.
right,
Gregory is like no, sometimes it can be helpful if they are done by licensed practitioners, right?
correct.
D is saying what?
It's attacking the licensed practitioners.
D is
So,
saying the people, the
all
analysts,
the right that claim that
exactly,
handwriting.
is reliable or irresponsible.
Right.
So
So
we are saying
the source of the claim is themselves kind of corrupt, I guess you could say.
exactly. So we are saying anyone, any handwriting analyst that says handwriting analysis is reliable is irresponsible. So we don't want it, right? If
Right.
these people are irresponsible, why are we doing handwriting analysis? So you're attacking it, completely shattering it, right?
Right. That makes sense. You're attacking their source kind of
Yes,
thing.
we are saying it's irresponsible to do that. They are
Right.
irresponsible. So if you want, you can read A, B, C, D, E, like the other answer choices if you want. The next ones I will be a bit more like less engaged. Like I still want to hear you say the conclusion and so on, but
The
you
floor.
have the will.
Um, Courts routinely use means other than handwriting analysis to provide evidence of a person's character.
Like that's totally off topic.
Yeah, it doesn't really. I'm kind of struggling to see where that would relate here. Um, Many people provide two samples of their handwriting so different that only a highly trained professional could identify them as being as having been written by the same person. Yeah, again, I'm kind of like, where does this fit in? Um,
Okay, I agree. It's like off topic.
right. Should I move on?
Yes.
Okay, C. A license board would inevitably refuse to grant licenses to some responsible handwriting analysts for reasons having nothing to do with their reliability. Um,
C just tells us it they are strict or something like that. We don't want to say they are strict. That would help Gregory, right? If the licensing boards are refusing like to grant licenses, that kind of helps Gregory because that means they are like have requirements.
right,
Even if it doesn't have anything to do with their reliability, like it just tells you they are refusing people. It's not good as D.
Yeah, so it kind of strengthened Gregory's
Yes.
argument.
Yes,
Yeah.
because it says they are like strict. And E, please,
The number of handwriting analysts who could conform to professional standards set by a licensed board is very small.
doesn't matter the size of the analysts.
Right.
So, do you understand why D, right?
Yeah, I think
Mm.
so. I mean, it's definitely a little more difficult with the 5 out of 5 difficulty level questions, but I think I'm getting it a bit for sure. I think it would be easier with obviously with like the 3 out of 5s and 4 out of 5s, 2 out of 5s, but yeah.
It's okay as you get better and better and better. Like, don't worry. And I
Like I would
expect you to get 5 out of 5s right too.
Right. Like I would say with this question right now, I definitely don't have like a full grasp on it, but I now that we went through everything and all the answers, like I see D as being the right answer for
And
sure.
like essentially, Gregory is saying we should have handwriting analyses and analysts. These saying the ones that claim
Right.
handwriting analysis is reliable are irresponsible people. So the
Right.
people who claim that we can do handwriting analysis are irresponsible. So it's
That makes sense.
completely shattering George.
Right.
It's like you saying we need police in our society, and I'm telling you, anyone that wants to be a police officer is irresponsible, for example. Or you say we want doctors in our society, and I tell you, anyone who wants to be a doctor is irresponsible.
Right.
So you're completely saying this profession is useless.
Right. That makes sense.
But let's see how you do on the rest of them.